What is up, you guys? It is your boy Matthew Katijo coming at you once again with another video, and today I'm going to have an affordable fall essentials video for you guys. Most of you guys know I live in Florida. With that being said, it's summer year-round, but for those of you who are looking for some sweat essentials and items of that nature, I got a great affordable alternative for you guys that's readily available. Recently, I've been into a luxury sportswear, going back to the athleisure trend, and honestly, the idea of paying over $100 for some sweatpants is just blatantly ridiculous. The last time I did that was with the OG Nike Tech Fleece pants, honestly one of my favorite sweatpants of all time. However, Nike's new Tech Fleece iterations just aren't up to par. With that being said, we ventured to my local Walmart and I have a hoodie, a sweatshirt, and 3 sweatpants for you guys. So let's get started with the sweatpants. Starting it on up, I found these amazing red sweatpants. I copped them right away as soon as I saw them in store. I honestly didn't realize they'd be sitting there because 99% of the time, sweatpants in my size are gone in the classic black and gray colorways. So the red being there, I was like, no doubt about it, I'm gonna grab it. Traditional fit, if it's really beautiful, it's a really vibrant red. Honestly, I'm just gonna wear it with anything really. I'm personally wearing them with the Air Force Ones as well as a plain t-shirt just to show you guys. But of course, super cozy, and for that price point of $7, you really can't go wrong. Aside from the red, we have the traditional black sweatpant. Again, a staple, essential, something you can never go wrong with. Same exact brand. I believe they're all Fruit of the Loom. It was $7 again, same exact fit, both in a size medium. They fit beautiful, and you truly can't go wrong with this cozy sweatpant. Finally, I have the gray classic sweatpant. For this one, the inspiration was kind of like a cold wall, of how they have the inside out seams and things of that nature. So I went ahead and copped these gray ones in a size extra large because I figured I'd be taking out a lot of fabric, which wasn't the case. I didn't take out that much. But I did end up making some external out seams that go down the center of the sweatpant. As you can see here, I think it looks pretty cool. It kind of has a DIY deconstructed vibe. I was thinking about dyeing them, but we'll see how that goes. Again, super cozy, and you can't go wrong with it. Venturing now to our sweatshirts, again, going back to the idea of the luxury staples, I was thinking of a John Elliott Crewneck, but of course I'm not going to pay for that. So I got a Fruit of the Loom gray crewneck here. It's kind of heathered, kind of matches the gray sweatpants that I just showed you. Again, $7, so you truly can't go wrong with it. I actually picked this up in a size XL, so it fits a little bit roomier, but the fit is great, the quality is great in my opinion, and it's super cozy. You truly can't go wrong with it. Something you can throw on with literally anything, you'll look good. Moving on, this is actually a little bit more expensive than the other items. This is from another Walmart in-house brand called George. This is actually their French Terry hoodie. This kind of falls into the category of Rhude, and again with John Elliott with their overwashed items. In this case, it's going to be a French Terry garment. Like I said, it's the brand George. This hoodie retailed for about $15. I kind of got it in the overwashed lime colorway, and in my opinion, it looks super beautiful. This is honestly one of my favorite hoodies of all time. It fits great, the quality is amazing, and guys, just look at it. You get that high-end luxury look for less than 20 bucks. That's gonna be the video. I hope you guys found it a little bit helpful with some essentials for this upcoming fall-winter season. Until the next time I see you guys, it'll be your boy Matthew Katijo. Take it easy, stay safe, peace.